Remote problems? No worries, we've got the easy fix for your Samsung. First, let's swap those remote batteries. Take out the old ones, pop in some fresh, high-quality ones. Make sure they're in the right way, check the plus and minus signs. Next, test the remote signal. Open your phone's camera, point the remote at it, and press any button. See a flashing light on your screen? The remote's working. No flash? Try new batteries or get a new remote. Now clear any signal blockage. Make sure nothing's blocking the remote's path to the TV's sensor, usually at the bottom. Still no luck? Power cycle the TV. Unplug it, wait 60 seconds, press and hold the TV's power button for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. If the TV turns on with its own button, it's definitely the remote. For smart remote users, repair it by holding return and play pause for 5 seconds. If all else fails, use the Samsung SmartThings app to control your TV or contact support. Happy watching!